What's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm out with my buddy Guilio from Itties Secret Baits. We are here at Bronkies Dam. I haven't been here in a good while, but Guilio is feeling good about today. So let's hope we can find some good buses. Got a couple of awesome baits that we're going to be playing around with today. So yeah, let's see. Some secrets. Let's hope we can find the fish and see if they like those baits or not. Cool. Catch you guys on the water. Enjoy. Start to the morning, catching
already a couple more. I think I need to throw pictures. Common size, you know? Just a little step.
grass. Same size again.
Sure, it's a little female.
Yeah.
On the nuke.
Sneaky bastard.
That one came out of nowhere and grabbed it, bro. It came out of like this little pocket there.
That's something I'll throw constantly. What's the deep size,
Yeah, we had Bronkies at the moment, so with you. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
the better one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, they got your worm.
There's a pile of fish here at the moment. Absolute pile. Yeah, a lot of the 300 to 400 grammars at the moment that we're catching. Most of our biggest one is most of the 500 grammar. Yeah, there's a pile.
There's no one home, buddy. You should have let me know last night that you were coming. Ooh, I'm actually fishing. Fish on.
Underneath the boat. waiting for the sun to come up a little bit so you can maybe try and leg up, leg up. Nuke does it. Yeah, kilo jobby on the nuke. Leg up. Yeah, that's alright. Thanks, dude.
Yeah, there we go. Biggest of the day so far.
Yeah.
And it's not even that big, but I mean, it's something.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Nice.
Oh, this big fish. This is the one we want, mate. As long as it's not a bobble.
Jeez, okay.
Got horns or something. Come on, baby.
Oh yeah! Oh my goodness, well done. Oh no. Oh yes. Oh yes, mother.
Yeah, how's that for a little?
What?
Now?
Look at this, guys. Get ready for this. Oh my word, buddy.
Secret baits, SS plus fat sticks. Yeah. Gets a bite every time.
I think that you would reach on the baby.
0.45. 0.46.
I should have been like 2.62. Much ice. Nice, well done. It's a beautiful fish.
Get it back in the water. There you go.
Damn! Oh jeez, that is the...
Yeah, got the male.
You could eat that, man.
Yeah, I know. Look at it. Everywhere. Or should we go to a place where I saw big ones?
Ooh.
That didn't feel too small.
Yeah.
Got it. The way that was bowie waking, I was like,
Oh no, you busted.
that's not safe. Hey, the bream catches a bass, bro. The bream catches a bass. Boxing here. Oh,
Big one.
it's not too bad. I don't know.
Just hammering them, eh?
Little ball. Oh, another big one. Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness. Holy moly, this man's on fire. Let me just do a brand new smoke. Oh dude, that's such another nice fish. Well, let me reel it in for you, man. Yes! Oh my gosh! Yo!
Thank you.
Camera here.
A solid little female.
Jesus! Why can't I catch those? I see how suck at those birds. Why do I even fish? Another photo.
Yeah.
I can't believe it. I want to catch one so badly.
2.1815. 5 grams out to each one.
Pretty good, isn't it? Whenever you're ready, I'm recording already.
Look, dude, get this nest here. Told you it's a big one.
That was past, you know, that orange boy?
Yeah, yeah.
It was there.
Should just move off a little bit. Which is a nice one.
Yeah. Not better fish. Still not huge, but
Boxer. Well done. Something over a kilo as well. Hey, big male, Dick. Big male.
you're right, there's a fish there.
Yeah. Coax him a little bit. Better.
No. Oh, fuck! You took my gun, bitch!
Don't want to bite.